Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to enable dark mode in Avast Secure Browser on your Android phone. Dark mode helps reduce eye strain and saves battery life on devices with OLED screens. In this video, I will guide you step by step to activate dark mode easily and quickly. Open Avast Secure Browser on your Android phone. Tap the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to open the full settings page. Scroll down through the settings options until you find Dark Mode. Tap the toggle next to Dark Mode to turn it on. The browser will immediately switch to dark mode. You can now browse comfortably with a darker interface. That's it. Enabling dark mode in Avast Secure Browser is simple and improves your browsing experience. If this video helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.